Tiwari. Today I am going to teach you Rain on the Roof, Unit 3rd for class 9th. For class 9th. This is a very remarkable poetry for you. This poem is written by Coates Kinney. First, you know about the poet. Poet Coates Kinney was a great English poet, great natural English poet. He wrote so many poetries related to the nature. Rain on the Roof is one of them. Poet describes about the rain, describes about the rainy season, when the sky is covered with dark clouds and it starts raining. Have you ever listened to the patter of soft rain on the roof? Through these lines, poet wanted to say, when a sky is covered with dark clouds and it starts raining, and poet argued that people alarmed the people. Have you ever listened the patter of soft rain on the roof? And what thoughts flashed through your mind as you heard this melody of nature? Poet uses here melody of nature, means the song of nature. Really, song of nature is a very beautiful song. If you go near the nature and you try to understand the meaning of the melody of nature, the song of nature, then you feel peace and calm. I start this poetry. Please listen carefully. When the humid shadow over all the starry sphere and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Once upon a time, poet was in his bed chamber, in his cottage chamber, and he found the starry spheres, the starry sky becomes melancholy darkness, the humid shadows hover over the sky. And poet also found gently weeps in rainy tears, and sky starts starts weeping, and the tears of the sky is rain. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed. In that time, poet was in his cottage chamber bed, and he blessed to press the pillow and started listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead outside of his chamber. Through these lines, poet wanted to say about the feeling about himself. The poet likes to lie on the bed pressing a pillow in his arms and listening to the patters of the rain on the roof. In the second stanza, every tinkles on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and a thousand dreamy fancies into boozy being stirred, and a thousand recollections weave their air threads into woof, as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. In the second stanza, poet describes about the feeling when he started listening the patter listening the patter of the soft rain over his bedchamber, over his head. Every tinkles on the shingles has an echo in the heart. And poet described the light ringing sound. Shingles means rectangular wooden tiles used on roof. They become a very beautiful sound, and the heart of the poet full of echo. And the thousands dreamy fancies into busy being a star, and poet was very busy, and thousands of dreams come in his mind or heart, and the thousand recollections weave their air thread into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Poet describes here, when I started listening the patter of the rain upon the roof, in that time thousands recollections of dreams weave their air thread into woof. Woof means the thread woven across the loop. In the third stanza, now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers, or means early, she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. In the last stanza, poet is thinking while it is raining outside. The memory of his mother comes in his mind. The darling dreams are the dear ones in whose dreams mother usually comes. The memory of his mother alarmed the poet to regard the darling dreamers, or she left them till the dawn. When the night passed away and these memories left them, means the arrival of his mother disappeared along with the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listened on to his refrain, and I remembered my mother's, and that time I feel very close to my mother, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. And poet played on the shingles of the roof, and the drop of rain patter on the shingles, patters on the on the shingles. These are the meaning of this poetry. Through this poetry, poet describes about the nature, about the beauty of nature, about the melody of nature. So I also suggest you, if you want to understand the real meaning of this poetry, then you try to understand, try to listen the melody, the music of rain in the rainy season, and you go through this poem, and I think you try to understand and you feel any type of problem, then you ask me and I try to solve your problem. And I suggest you also try to write down answer of these questions that is given in your text. Thank you.